It's a pleasure to have you here in this LG Opalnet Multi V night. We are going to kick off by welcoming our host, who is Mr. Brian, CEO Opalnet Engineering, to give his welcoming remarks.
This evening is a celebration of achievement, over 10 years of unwavering dedication, innovative solutions, and collaborative partnerships. We started this noble journey with a vision to redefine the excellence in HVAC industry in this country by starting Opalnet Engineering. Today, I'm happy to see that that vision has come to fruition. Together, we have overcome challenges, braced opportunities, and consistently delivered cutting-edge solutions to our clients. Your relentless pursuit for excellence has not only elevated Opalnet, but has also set new standards within the industry. As we gather here tonight, let us take a moment to reflect on the journey so far. It is said that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step, and today we have taken the first step in the right direction. Tonight is not just about acknowledging our achievements, it's also about celebrating the collective spirit of everyone in this building. It's also about recognizing the pivotal role that you, our partners, have played in our success story. In the mosaic of life, not every stitch is flawless. We encounter hardships, setbacks, and moments of despair. Yet, it is precisely these imperfections that give birth and depth to the character of our tapestry. Certainly, the road ahead will not be easy. We shall have new challenges, but I'm confident with your support, our team, we shall continue to soar into greater heights. Thank you for being a crucial part of Opalnet family, and here's to many more of success, collaboration, and excellence. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. On behalf of Opalnet, I welcome you to this showcase where we present to you some of the best solutions for air conditioning that are available in the country. Indeed, as long-term partner for LG Electronics, we can attest to the quality and durability of their products. Many of the systems you are seeing here and many more that you could not showcase due to space limitations today have been very popular in the country. This gives us confidence that new ones, including multi-V range, which we reintroduced to you today, will continue to meet all your domestic and commercial cooling needs. As LG's distribution partner in Kenya, we are available to advise you on product level and availability. So please feel free to engage with us. We will help you actualize your plans. Beside LG ACs, we also distribute other LG products, including home appliances and home entertainment systems such as fridge, washing machine, dishwasher, TV, and audios. Kindly speak to us about that too. Today, we are here because of you. Credit goes to all of you. We value your support, and we are here to support you. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Thank you.
So it's my pleasure and great honor to be here in front of all of you tonight. So I'd like to extend the warmest welcome to you as a representative of LG Electronics East Africa. I believe we all know why we are here. So as you know, recently, B2B demand and market is growing faster. Even B2B business has the highest potential and chance for the future growth. That's why LG continuously keep on doing our investment to the B2B infrastructure, even reinforcing our B2B organization and networking this year, even tonight. So thanks to your cooperation and collaboration, so our CAC business could grow by more than 50% last year. Even this year as well is an ongoing way, like last year. So I'd like to take a chance to say thank you to everyone instead of all LG members. So let me have a simple question to all. What do you think the most important factor in the success of a B2B business? What would be most important? So there are so many factors such as product, price, marketing, performance, etc. So as a B2B solution provider, LG, we firmly believe that the most important thing among all would be the power of partnership. That's why we are here tonight to share the knowledge and to learn from with each other. It will help us to enhance our stronger partnership relationship with all of you and to pave the way for mutual growth for future business in B2B. So we will do our best to support and provide the best B2B solution and for the Kenya market and partners. So thank you again for giving us your valuable time. And so let's keep moving forward. Thank you.
So first of all, I would like to thank all of you for taking time to come to this event. I know you had busy schedules, but choosing to come and attend to an event is always our pleasure. So thank you very much, and let's clap also for ourselves. Okay, so secondly, this event also is unique in two ways. The first one is it's the first ever event that we are holding with Opalnet. I think since the inception of their business, around 2012, or 13 there. So it's the first of its event. The second thing is that we want to improve on this event and being able to have the same event every year so that we can invite all of you and celebrate our successes. We can discuss the issues that we are facing as a team and also forge forward as an industry. So in addition to that, I would like to really thank our partners, that is Opalnet, because of their dedication, their commitment, and even their resilience to serving our customers. We know as LG, we have 4 fundamental things that we normally focus on. The first one is the product. Is our product very efficient? Is our product very reliable to our customers? The second thing is distribution. Are we having our product in stock? Can we be able to support our contractors to be able to deliver on quick projects? And then the third thing is about installation. Without good installation, then our product becomes meaningless. So we also focus on good installations by training all our contractors and technicians. The fourth thing is about after-sales service. So after-sales service is very important and is an area that we focus on as LG. So these 4 areas is what us as LG and Opalnet, whenever every day we come to our office, these are the 4 areas that we focus on improving on. And I think going forward, you are going to see more and more improvement. Our main aim is to be LG number 1. That is number 1 in service production and product and also support to our customers. Also, when we look at LG as an innovation company, we continue to improve on the processes of our products and also solutions so that we can be able to offer customer efficient solutions to all our partners. Later this year, we are going also to launch our next generation of VRF system, so in East Africa. And this also stems a good approach whereby we are going to utilize AI technology and data also in air conditioning to be able to provide that solution that is energy efficient, comfortable in cooling. Then lastly, before I invite my colleagues, I would like also to say that for us as LG and also our partner Opalnet, we believe that our competitor, our biggest competitor, is who we were yesterday. So by continuously improving on ourselves every day, we believe that we are going to achieve that vision of LG number 1. And as our AS slogan, like Air Solution slogan, we always say that ahead of the expected. We always want to be ahead of your expectations. So we thank you for your support. We thank you for our cooperation. Whenever you have any issue, you feel free to get in touch with us. We are ready to support. So I'm going to invite Brian. Actually, I'll say one thing about Brian. When he joined Opalnet, I was one of the person who gave some recommendation. Like, you know, I was part of the interviewee. And right now he's the CEO, and whenever I have to have a meeting with him, I have to book an appointment. So the way things are changing also, it means that technology and everything is changing for the best. So welcome, Mr. Brand, for your presentation.
So Opalnet, we are the official distributors of LG products in Kenya. We started operations around 2012. So initially we were only doing home appliances and other electronics. But about 6 years ago, or 7 years ago, we started the HVAC division, where this division focuses on AC. So when I talk about AC, we are talking about the three categories that you can see. This is residential air solutions, that is RAC, single split AC, this is the split cassette, split ductable, and the floor standing air conditioning. VRF system, you know our brand lineup, Multi V5, and also another one that we are launching very soon. So Opalnet Engineering was launched specifically to focus on the engineering aspect of business. And I'm glad since we launched this division, we have grown really fast, and it's all thanks to you. So that's basically all about Opalnet. We do distribution of other products, TV, washing machines, and also distribution to hypermarts and dealers for other products. But for today, we focus on AC. So in order for us to be successful in this industry, we have partnered with all of you. So these are just some of the few partners that we have. We have Acrovent, Coolplus, Konak, Biotech, among many others. So if your logo is not here, next year we'll put in it. So we all acknowledge your presence. So just some of the projects that you have done in the last 1 year, the ongoing ones, the ones that are complete. So this is a tourism fund. It's located in Nairobi. Total outdoor capacity is 70 kilowatts. It was done by Wilmark Engineering. Indoor units, cassette, cooling type only. It's under category of single CSE. We also have Nairobi Hospital. I think this is one of our very good flagship projects. This was done by Biotech Limited. Outdoor capacity 400 kilowatts, Nairobi. We have its heat recovery, 3-pipe system, and air handling units, Multi V5 VRF system. We have another project in Mombasa. This was done by Glosec. This is Nyali Mall, I believe. Total outdoor capacity 100 kilowatts. Indoor CCDs, ceiling concealed ductable units, with a simplified central controller. We have Parkview Towers, or as most of us know, Airtel Center. This was done by Frank's Refrigeration. Outdoor unit capacity 480 kilowatts. One unique thing about this project is that the client wanted to monitor their power consumption, not only for the entire system, but office by office. So I think this was one of the, I would say, quite challenging projects to our technical people, but we had to integrate PDI and AC Smart 5 And we are glad that the customer is very happy. Now they can monitor each office, how much power is being consumed by the AC. So the employees are now responsible. They don't leave the ACs on and go home living that way, because they know if you have the highest bill, you have some questions to answer. We have AGF, African Guarantee Fund, Mudangari Drive. This one was done by Cool Plus, 350 kilowatts outdoor units, two-pipe system, a combination of cassettes and CCDs with a simple touchscreen controller. I think this is one of the controllers that is only, the client was very specific, and we are glad that LG could meet the requirements of the client. We have Rockefeller Foundation. This one was done by Acrovent Limited, outdoor capacity 200 kilowatts. Indoor units, we have a combination of round cassettes and CCDs. I think in this market, LG is the only brand offering true round cassette. When I say true round cassette, I mean that the airflow from the cassette is 360 degrees round. The control system is AC Smart 5, and it's also one of the projects that the client was very, very much impressed with our products. We have office fit out at the Cube. This is Riverside Drive. These indoor units are a combination of cassettes and CCDs. Total outdoor capacity 200 kilowatts, and this was done by our contractor, Minikin Services. Then we have, apart from VRF, we also do split units. So these are split units for a restaurant along Eastern Bypass in Kamakis. So in total, we have a total of 70 kilowatts, and this one was done by RB Construction. We have Salama Microfinance Bank. This is in Eastleigh, BBS Mall, one of the newest malls in Nairobi. This is a bank, and it's fully cassettes with a simplified remote controller. This was done by Refrigeration Technique. So, let's talk about what's in the future, what we have agenda for this year. So, what I've shown you is in the past. That is what we had last year. And for us to continue to be successful, we also have to look at the future. So we, as Opalnet, we have identified a few things that we need to do this year so that you, as our partners, can also continue getting that market penetration and converting more sales. So first of all, it's the issue of stocks. I know it's quite frustrating at times when you have inquiries and we are out of stock, and the lead times are quite long. And one thing I know about our industry is that our clients are always in a hurry. They plan for long, but execution is always in a hurry. So we are addressing this issue. We are planning our inventory better. We want to eliminate the issue of stockouts completely. So from the feedback that we have gotten from you, and from the experience that we have, knowing the fast-moving products and the units that are most required in the market, so we are going to at least double our stocks so that at any given time we don't have the issue of stockouts like we have had in the previous years. So another thing that we are going to address is the issue of lead time. This is delivery of units. So we are having a dedicated vehicle to deliver our units, and we have set as a target to ourselves that delivery should be done within 24 hours. So we don't want to do anything more than 24 hours, whether we are dispatching to upcountry or we are delivering within Nairobi. Also, we have situations where you also go collect the units in our warehouses yourselves, and we have instructed our people that from now going on, you'll be given priority, and It doesn't matter what they are doing, they're offloading a cargo or what, you'll always be served first. There will be no queuing, so that at least we are able to fast track the issue of delivery. This is very critical, the issue of spare parts. So as we speak, we have made an order. We want to comprehensively stock our service center. As you know, Opalnet runs LG Service Center in this market. And well, we have had spare parts, but not sufficient. So we have made a big order to improve on our stocks. I'm glad to announce that Kenya will be the hub of spare parts for LG for the whole of East Africa. So the spare parts we are going to bring is not only going to serve this market, but it's going to serve all the East African countries and Central Africa. So we are bringing quite a huge volume of spare parts, and I think the order's already been made. They'll be here in the next 2 to 3 weeks. And once we have that, of course, we are the first beneficiaries. Before we serve our neighbors in Rwanda, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, and the rest, then first will benefit the most. So going forward in the next few weeks, we don't expect to not to have any spare parts out of stock. Another issue is technical support. Early this year, we recruited one engineer, very experienced. He has worked in the Middle East, India, and Africa. He has more than 20 years experience in the HVAC industry. He's specifically dedicated to give technical support to you guys. So he will be managing within the country. So in case you have any problems, you have error codes, you need diagnosis, you need support in terms of installation, guidance. So he's called Mr. Raja. Mr. Raja will be available here. And of course, it is at no cost. So you just need to make the requests and he will come and assist you. So I hope you make good use of him so that at least we also improve the quality of our work and we also get good support for our units. So we're also going to introduce, we're thinking to also reward you as our partners. As we are growing, we'd like to grow together with you. And because of that, we're going to introduce a cashback incentive scheme. So at the end of the year, we are going to see how much we have worked together. And as a token of thank you, we're going to say, okay, we're going to give you something to say thank you. So we hope that this will also help you grow as we are growing together. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone. It's good to be back, like even after a short span of time. I remember we did an event last year in November 2023, and like after 4 months, we are doing a bigger and better event today. So I believe like this shows the commitment that LG Electronics as an equipment supplier and Opalnet as a distributor partner has towards our Kenya market. I would also like to thank Brian for sharing some valuable insights about the operational excellence that we have in Kenya market to offer you going forward. So today, on behalf of LG Electronics, I'm representing a air conditioning division, and I will be talking about the engineering solutions that we have to offer you in Kenya and even in East Africa region. So like most of you like sitting in the room must have experienced 2 of our air conditioning equipment, which is like CAC, we call it as commercial air conditioners, which includes the VRF systems as well. And then we also have residential air conditioning segments. But we are not only limited to supply only the equipment, but we provide right kind of engineering solutions based on customer needs and requirements. So in addition to these products, we also have air care solution for residential segment, through which we supply our air purifiers to provide better indoor air qualities to our customers. Also, we are into beacon system. We call it as building energy control management system, which helps in controlling and monitoring the whole air conditioning system sitting at a common place. In addition to this, we also do have chiller lineup. We are not new in chiller industry. We have been supplying chillers for the last 20 years, and we can offer you the whole set of chiller lineup, starting from scroll chillers, screw chillers, centrifugal chillers, and absorption chillers as well. Like now the question comes, there are other brands also in the air conditioning industry that can offer you the same kind of a product portfolio, right? So what differentiate LG when it comes to the competition? So the biggest differentiator for us, apart from our quality philosophy, is our engineering strength or engineering tools that we can offer to our customers. So what we do is we provide, what we have done is we have divided the project requirement in 6 different phases, starting wherein we provide comprehensive consulting services, starting from planning to completion and then to maintenance stage. So if I little bit talk about the planning stage, we provide like energy simulation software or programs to our consulting engineers, wherein they can, we call it as LEAP, LG Energy Estimation Program, which helps in calculating the energy consumption comparison between the different systems. Let's say if you want to compare a VRF system versus single split system, that can easily be done. If you want to compare a LG VRF system to the other brand, that can easily be done through this software, and we will get a life cycle cost analysis plus the payback analysis from this software, and which also includes the percentage savings. So this software ultimately comes with a detailed report which has a very nice graphical representation, and if you submit this report along with your offer to a client, that will be like added advantage for your proposal as well. Moving to the construction stage, we provide different kind of design softwares. I hope most of you sitting in this room must have used few of our softwares like LART's HVAC, LART's CAD, LART's Revit as well. But in addition to this, we also can support you with CFD analysis. We call it as computational fluid analysis that helps in analyzing and optimizing the location of the outdoor unit, the location and placement of outdoor unit, plus we can also optimize the location of indoor unit based on the noise levels of the systems. So if I talk a little bit about the case study that we have executed like 5 years ago for a project in Saudi Arabia, if you see here, the project name is Masdoul Tower, and the construction of the project is like a twisted building, which comes with its own louver shape design, right? So when we initially got in touch with the consultant and the architect, they wanted us to run a CFD analysis for a project so that they can understand whether with this type of a louver design, whether air conditioning will still remain effective, right? So based on their request, what we have done is we have requested them to share the details on the louvers, like what is their initial proposal. So they wanted to propose S-shaped louver design plus S-shaped suction part, including the sand trap louvers, right? So based on the information that we have received from them, we have involved our headquarters team from South Korea, because they are the one, they do a CFD analysis for us. So with the current proposal by the architect, what we have observed is there is a short cycling happening onto the condensing unit, and the temperature was going beyond the continuous operation range. So what we have observed is with the current proposal, the temperature was going beyond 60 degrees, which is not an effective way of doing the air conditioning. So we did our own scenarios by increasing the louver space, right? Instead of going ahead with 33 mm of a louver, we did different scenarios by increasing the space of a louver to 37 mm. And then finally, with the case 2, if you can see on this comparison, you will see here that case 2 is the best suited solution for them, wherein the temperature of the condenser area or a plant room is not going beyond 47 degrees, and it is still remain in line or under the limitations of continuous operation range. So that's how we have proposed the solution that for sure we have to change the louver design from S-shaped discharge to a flat louver, and then we have to maintain like 56 mm of a gap between the louvers so that we have an effective opening ratio maintained for proper condensation. So finally, like architect and consultant have liked the proposal and they changed the whole design of louver, maintaining what we have provided them as a solution. So this is a case study that we have done. We can also offer you the same kind of proposals based on your needs and requirements. So ultimately, through the CFD analysis, we could able to pre-identify the problems due to design, placement, and the location of the outdoor unit. And once the CFD analysis is done and we provided a solution, then we can also guarantee the operation and efficient operation and longevity of a product as well. So going forward, if you do have an inquiry, please do let us know. You can share the inquiry with our local support team, and then we will involve our headquarters team to help us doing the right CFD analysis for you. Moving to the next stage, which is a construction and commissioning stage, wherein we also have solutions for our installers as well. It's not like we only have engineering solutions for our consulting engineers, but also for installers as well. So during commissioning, we do provide LGMV software and hardware to our field engineering team so that during commissioning, they can check the health parameters of the unit and then hand over the system in a better way to the customer, along with the detailed commissioning reports. Moving to the 5th phase, which is like service and maintenance phase, which we also feel as it is the utmost importance. Like it's not only about selling a product, because this product should withstand for the next 15 to 20 years or so. So in order to maintain that, we should have proper after-sales backup to our customers, so that if they have any issues at site, we send our field engineering team on time, and they can do all kind of rectifications and help our contractors with the units. If I talk about the last phase of a project, we call it as energy management phase, wherein we offer a different kind of a solution. We call it as TMS, Total Management System. So this is a proactive approach that we are offering these days as a value-added services to our customer. So imagine your project is installed in Mombasa, and you give us, and I am based in Nairobi, and I can still control and monitor the whole air conditioning sitting in Nairobi itself. So with this, what we are generally doing is we have our own engineering team based in regional hub in Dubai and also in Nairobi offices, wherein we take a charge of a project. We monitor the project every day or every week, and then we proactively tell our contractors that you might face a challenge going forward with this unit. Please go ahead with the right tools, and rectify the problem. So this is a proactive approach that we are using these days.